Hey guys, we're going to do drill sound warm up. Your teacher needs to pick a drill sound leader and then we'll get started. Remember, drill sound leaders need to say the letter name, the key sound, or the picture and the sound. You need to also remember we have two sounds for S. Look up here. We have S for snake and Z for bugs. Okay. So if you're the drill sound leader, you need to remember to say both. Let's get started. Okay, drill sound leader is going to say the letter names, the keyword, and the sound. Then you'll see baby echo and you need to repeat. Only the drill leader should be talking until you see baby echo, and then you need to repeat. You guys need to do it quickly. So make sure your eyes are on the screen and you are focused. Ready, drill sound leader? Go ahead and begin. A-L-L, ball, all. A, apple, ah. C-H, chin, ch. I, itch, I. F, fun, f. U, up, V, van, v. O, octopus, ah. S, snake, s. S, bugs, z. E, ed, eh. Great job today, friends.